Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share that how to fix 3D powder on your nail, and for this I am using very easy trick. And whenever I've used glitter powder on my nails, it would not fixed. For fixing the glitter powder, I'm just used top coat on my nail and then cure for 10 seconds. After that I'm applying my glitter powder and it will fix very nicely. You can also try this hack and you will see the result. If you have not cure for 10 seconds, it will not stick nicely and will make your nail so creepy. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe. Keep watching.